Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And for all my current subscribers, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm back, guys, because I want to show you this education platform that I've been using maybe 2 months, 3 months, something like that. But at any rate, they're always adding, they're always improving, they're always giving a lot of value. Okay, I'm actually a student and I'm an affiliate, okay, for this platform, because this system and the training and the tools and the coaching and the support and the community, everything that you get, this goes side by side with what you're trying to promote. This is not a conflict. So I don't want you to say, oh, I don't want to join another program. No, this is education. Okay, this is what's going to teach you, okay, and coach you on how to promote whatever it is that you've already joined. Okay, so it goes hand in hand. So it's not a conflict. Okay, so you get all your marketing training and your strategies right here with this platform. So today what I want to show you is some new additions that they've added and how it can benefit you. Okay, so let me take you over to the new ads, the additions that they've added, and they're always adding more to this. But let me show you some new stuff that they've added, and I'm going to show you how I'm using it as well. Okay, so hang on a second. Okay, so I'm in my back office. Okay, so you go here, let me show you. You go under my websites. Okay, right here, see all these, the ones that's in yellow highlighted, they've added something new. That lets us know immediately, oh, we've got something new. But I've been on the Wednesday training, so I kind of know this. But at any rate, you go to my websites and let me show you the new ads, the new additions. So we come down, and I think I may have showed you one before, but they've added some new ones. And I'll show you how this is going to benefit you to help you get leads to your primary business. This platform actually helps brand you to help you promote your primary business. Okay, so it's all about them showing you how to succeed with your home business that you currently have. So check this out. They've added right here, you'll see it says essential oils. So for any of you out there that's in a business, let me show you what it looks like. Let's go check it out. If you're in a business where you're promoting essential oils, okay, this is a great way to brand you, because most of the companies out there, you already know that, they're not branding you. They're just saying, here's your link to promote whatever that company is. For example, if it's a health and wellness company, their name is going to be all over their website, right? And you're just going to be sharing that link. Everybody's going to have that same affiliate link, okay? But nothing on there is going to identify you and help brand you. So MLSP, My Lead System Pro, is going to help you. So they've created a generic lead gen magnet. Okay, this magnet, as you can see, it's promoting essential oils. So if that's your primary business, this is going to be perfect, right? Because what this is, if you can see right here, my name is in the left hand corner. So off the bat, it's already identifying me. Okay, so if you share this, okay, your name will be there, so people will know, oh, your name is there. Then I'm going to show you how you're going to use this. This is going to pull leads in, because people that are interested in the essential oils are going to see this. They're going to click here. They're going to go over to the next page, and that's how you're going to be identified, and you can promote your primary business for essential oils. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so once they enter the information from here, right? Let's see. This is the back office. I just showed you that. This is how it looks. I'm going to show you something real quick. So they go here, it says give me my guide. Okay, they click there, they've got to enter their information to be able to receive it. So you just created a lead. Okay, so this is how you build your list. Okay, your names of people that's interested in your business opportunity, your prospects, your billing leads. You're going to get sales and you're going to get sign-ups. So they enter their information, then it takes them here. And then see this pop-up. I love this pop-up comes up to remind them, hang on, this is 100% free. This is free that you're going to just give this away. It's a guide. Okay, so once they enter the information, again, you're identified, you're branding you up here in the corner. This is what MLSP has done for us. I didn't create this, they created it. So you'll be able to get this as well. So it's identifying me. Okay, right there. That's what you want. Okay, then it gives them the information that they said they will give you right here by downloading. They click this button and it will download this guide. But check this out. Here is the kicker. How is it promoting you, your primary business for essential oils? Well, what you would do is you would log into your back office and you would put your primary business for essential oils in there. And once someone goes here and they click my opportunity, then your company will come up to get them over to the essential oils and the health and wellness business. Okay, so see how that works. And then at the bottom, your picture, your name, your number, any of your social media links would be here, your contact information, all about you. So you see how this one little guide, if you will, this magnet is going to brand you as the authority in this essential oils business. Okay, now that's just one. We have more. Let me show you the other one. So this is perfect for anybody out there that's selling essential oils. This is a great way to pull in leads, guys, for your essential oil business. Let me show you some other ones they've added. Okay, the next one is health and wellness. 10 ways to lose weight. So if you're in a company where you're promoting ways to lose weight, this is another lead magnet that you'll be able to use. Same concept. Again, you see my name is up there. Free top secret weight loss report. So this is a giveaway. This is free that you'll be able to give to your prospects. Okay, then when they click here, of course, they have to enter their information. So you're growing your list. This is how you grow your list. Give them this free report. Let me show you what it looks like on the other page. Okay, when they opt in, this is what they get. Again, your name would be up here. You're in, and it tells you you're in access of your PDF, so they would just download it here. But again, to your right, it says my opportunity, and this is where once they click here, they'll go to whatever program you're promoting about losing weight. Okay, so you get the gist of what I'm saying. See, it's branding you the whole time. Okay, and building your list at the same time, and you're giving away something free. Okay, this is the type of marketing you want. Trust me when I tell you this. This is how you guys are finding me. People call me. I'm not calling anyone. I'm not chasing anyone around. People are calling me because I'm attracting people to me. And this is what we're showing you how to do. Have people calling you about your business. So let me show you, I think it's 2 more on here. Hang on. I'm going to say the one I'm doing for last. As you can see which one I'm doing. Network marketing. So for those of you in a network marketing company, here is another lead magnet for you. Okay. Okay, here's one for you guys. Same concept. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Let's show you what it looks like. Okay. This is pretty cool. It's got the phone there. And this is an audio. Okay, MP3 audio. And it's a lot of great stuff on here. Let me tell you, I started listening to it myself. But again, this is how you brand you and put yourself out there as the authority. Okay, so you share this with your network marketing folks. They enter the information. Now they become a lead. They get on your list. MLSP is going to follow up for them to get them into the system. They can come to the free training. You give this away. You put your network marketing company in your back office, so when they click my opportunity, it takes them to that opportunity. Now let me show you the one that I actually promote, because this is not my niche. I'm going to show you my niche You guys already know I'm in the make money from home niche, so that's perfect for me. So when I saw this, I was like, awesome. Okay, so make money from home. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, now this is the one for me because it's the niche I'm in. So okay, this is what it looks like. Of course, I'm here. 5 ways to make money from home. Once they click that, they have to enter their information. Now let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll tell you how I set this up. Okay, so you get a PDF, which is a great PDF, and I'm going to show you what's included in that, because actually affiliate marketing is the niche that I actually promote mostly. And you know that because you guys are following me on that. Well, I'm an affiliate for different programs. So we show you 5 different ways to make money online. Now what I've done is I've tied this in to my, you don't have to in the beginning, but I've tied my Aweber to this, okay? But the good thing about the way MLSP has it set up, actually what I'm doing is the lead is going into MLSP, and then I'm getting them twice. They're going to the MLSP, and then they're going into my Aweber, where I can show you the affiliate programs that I am recommending. Okay, so on my page right here, if you click mine, because my primary is, direct mail, so I have IMC in here. Okay, from time to time, sometimes I change it to the Postcard program, but you can see that goes there when they click opportunity. I'm going to put the link below so you can grab this PDF, but this is where I mostly stay, right here in the affiliate marketing niche, where I sell information products, digital products, mostly. There is a company that I'm affiliated with, but they ship the products out for the health and wellness. I don't have to stock anything. I don't have to get on auto ship and have stuff, stashed at home and try to get rid of it. So I stay in the affiliate marketing niche. So this PDF is perfect for me. So this is what I give away. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is a tool you can use. This is a tool, okay? It's not in competition where you say, oh, I don't want to join another program. No, this is education. You need to learn how to promote what it is you're trying to sell, okay? So with MLSP, My Lead System Pro, they give you these free done-for-you campaigns. Okay, as you can see right here, I've been promoting this one like crazy. Here's the impressions that I have on it because this is my niche. So they have stated they're going to be adding more to this, guys. Okay, so right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, but they're going to be adding more. So this is going to be a great giveaway to help you build your list, help you get prospects, help you be the authority of the business that you're trying to promote instead of pushing your company. Okay, whatever company it is, you're pushing that name instead of putting yourself out there on the forefront. Okay, so a tool. You need systems and tools if you're going to be a success online. And you need education. You're going to need training. All that is in this platform. Okay, this is truly where you want to be if you want to be a success online. Okay, again, this goes hand in hand with what you're promoting. This is not in competition. So if you're looking for training, coaching, support, I think this is the #1. Well, I know it's the #1 internet marketing training out here online. Okay, and they've been around since 2008, so they know what they're talking about. So with that being said, I'm gonna put the link below. Get this system, guys. Check it out. You can get the trial for $10 and take a look. Get access to a full back office. All right, if you have any questions about it, feel free to give me a call. I look forward to working with you guys with this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day and be safe out there.